it's Patty. I just got back from Trader Joe's and I thought it would be fun to share a haul with all of you. I got some of my regular things and I also tried some new things, and I love seeing what people get from there and what they recommend and stuff like that because they have so many fun things. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what are your Trader Joe's must-haves? I went in there looking for a couple things that I didn't find, so I'd love to hear what you really enjoyed there. So let's go ahead and get started. I love their freezer section. I feel like they have a good variety. I want to show you what the freezer stuff I got first. I love their really thin, extra fine green beans. Yes, they are. And then I got a bag of the sweet potato gnocchi, which I really like. I think it's delicious. Then I also got roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. This the kids love. It's really good for lunches or quick dinners. It's the mini meatballs and they really enjoyed these. And then this is a new thing I bought, but it's the Mexican style corn with the cotija cheese, and I thought that would be really yummy with like some grilled chicken, and like I thought that would be like a fun thing to try. And then these my husband really enjoys, so I get them every time I go because he really likes those. And then I feel like their zucchini spiral noodles are a great deal, so I get those too. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I got some bananas. I got these for my husband. This one is, he likes all of them. Can you move your hand, please? This is with coconut cream. So this is the Trader Joe's cold brew coconut cream latte, and he likes the original. Then I got him the original Trader Joe's. And then this was the first time I saw it, so I got it for him to try. It's matcha green tea. And then I got this. It's Friday night, so the kids usually get to have a treat at some point in the weekend, so they picked this one out. They're ice cream bonbons with chocolate cookie crust. I thought that would be fun to have. Then I got these for my husband and I. They're chili lime chicken burgers. I've had them. They're very delicious. And there's actually a whole recipe with these burgers, and you make like a sandwich. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Then this is one of my favorite. I love Trader Joe cheeses. This is one of my favorites. It's the unexpected cheddar cheese. It's really good because it has like notes of Parmesan. Then I like having crushed ginger on hand for like Asian dishes. And then this is my son's and mine, our favorite mac and cheese. And then I got this for 2 of my kids. They really like yogurt. So this is the whole milk yogurt with French vanilla. They have the best frozen sweet potato fries, so I got those. And then a pack of bacon, lettuce. Their produce wasn't like great prices, but I wanted to get it since I was there. Okay. Then I just got some bread. Friday night I rotate between pizza and breakfast for dinner. So tonight we're doing pizza. So I got these pepperoni ones, and then I got just like a plain cheese pizza. These I've never tried, but I wanted to give it a try. They're Cuban style black beans. We're Cuban, so I'm pretty picky, so I feel like I won't like them, but my daughter really likes black beans with her rice, so I'm hoping she'll like them. I bought them mainly for her. My kids love having black olives as snacks, so I got the sliced black olives, and then their favorite are the Spanish the Spanish green olives. Those are their favorite. I got this seasoning because I've seen it, a bunch of people on Instagram use it, and I thought it would be really fun to season chicken with this and then grill the chicken and then pair it with that corn. Then we got the vodka sauce. We like that. This is my favorite syrup. It's 100% pure maple syrup. It's $12.99, but the bottle is huge and it lasts a really long time. Then I always like getting coconut aminos because it doesn't have soy in it, so this is like a substitute for soy sauce. Then I actually went, the main reason I went is because I saw, I believe her channel name is Jessica Griffith. I'll link her video down below. But she talked about this green goddess dressing, and I was dying to try it because it sounded so good. But they were totally sold out. So my husband really likes Caesar dressing, so I picked this one up for him. Let me know if you know of any good Trader Joe's dressings, because I actually don't like store-bought dressings. I usually make my own. But that green goddess one just sounded amazing. So I was bummed that it was sold out. I also got, these are my favorite sweet treat from Trader Joe's. They're the chocolate peanut butter cups. I also got the chocolate chunks just to have on hand for baking. And then this trail mix, it's almond, chocolate, and cashews. And it's like the same chocolate chunks in the mix. Then they have a whole section of like fruit strips and fruit bars and all of that stuff. So I let the kids just like pick a bunch of stuff and they really like those. Then I just got some avocados.
I don't like oily beans.
Okay, bye. Then for snacks for the kids, I got these fruit bars. I got these almond cocoa bars. And then I got these granola bars. Then Friday is popcorn movie night. So I just got the bag just because my littlest, I worry about her choking on the on the microwave popcorn, so I bought this bag. Then while we were there, the kids asked for coconut water, so I just picked that up for them. We homeschool and we are learning about space, so I thought this would be a fun snack for one of our space days. Then something I always pick up every time I go are these plantain chips, and then the sweet plantain chips. We really like those. And the last thing I got are these strawberry chips. I really like having these on hand for when like we're at the end of our grocery week and we need some sort of fruit to go on the side. These are good because they don't go bad as quickly as like regular fruit. So my kids love those. So that is what I picked up. Let me know again your suggestions because I love hearing what people enjoy at Trader Joe's. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.